In today's video, I'll show you how to add an admin team member in Smartsheet so they can help manage users, permissions, and account settings efficiently. First, open your browser and sign in to your Smartsheet account. Once you're on the home page, click on your profile icon. Next, select User Management. Click the three lines in the top left corner, then go to Users and Groups. Select User Roles and Reports to manage user permissions. On the top left corner, click Add User. In the panel that appears, enter the first name, last name, and email of the person you want to add. Set the user type, enable license user, and click the Plan Asset Admin option. Then, grant the appropriate permissions, such as System Admin, which allows them to manage users and account settings. Finally, click Invite to add them to your Smartsheet account. And that's it. That's how you add an admin team member to Smartsheet.